Yeah, but in 2019 we back. What the deal, world? It's your boy Lil Chris. You about to tune into one of these vids. But before you do, hit that like button. Subscribe, baby. Holla back at your boy. Cause we in it. Ah. Holla back at your boy. Deuces. What the deal, world? It's your boy Lil Chris back with a real quick vid. I'm about to give y'all my first run of my earthquake. Running the stock. Just want to see how she performing, what she doing. Still contemplating on that right there, man. Like I say, man, the spacing is it's looking like it's enough, but before I pull anything, man, I might as well go ahead and get some tests, see what she do. First initial speeds, with punch set all the way, well set, and little kinks and this, that, and the other. Like I said, you know what I'm saying, when I was saying something about extending it on my last vid, meant widening it out, we're gonna stretch out a little bit. Wanted to be much, you know what I'm saying, bulkier. I want to have that stance. So that's the whole goal on that. You know what I'm saying? We already know what kit we're gonna use for that, but my whole goal is run 6S, man. So we're gonna try to be easy with her. We can get out there and go crazy. We just run her, break it in, see how she doing. So y'all stay tuned. All right, my brothers. Here she go. First run. Volcano earthquake. Got it, excuse me. Got the speed on them. Like I said, we're not gonna try to tell. You get the trims right on them. Oh, Jesus. So, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we need to do something with the servo. I don't like the way she pulling. But she's not centered. Yeah, not centered at all. Okay. You hit the power in her. Okay, she'll come up. Oh, y'all getting her. Had to take some of that dual rate out. Yeah. She's pulling. She's gonna need a stronger servo. The servo ain't gonna be strong enough to handle her. See what kind of speed we're getting so far. I haven't been able to open it up, but damn, brakes. Alright, so far she giving me good 30 30. If we can get a, I think that's 31, but we can get it faster. Take off road. Alright. Get it down here in the grass and try to have a little fun with her before I lose my phone. So we can get her up and up in the grass. And if it flip, I won't feel bad. No road rash. I say when I do change out my transmitter, I'm going with a tactic because I like the fact that they don't have no antennas. So that's one thing I ain't got to worry about tearing up because she wants to come up. All right, while she over there, I can put some dual rate back in them. I think I lost my phone. She handling now. She beasting. Come on now. And she performing now. Right now, we can just have some fun with her. Woo! Come on, baby. You gotta keep all the body pins in. Well, fellas, got about another minute. Gotta make sure I run with all my body pins on. But man, she doing the thing so far, man. As always, like, subscribe, holler back at your boy. That's why I'm running in the grass. But I will make sure my next run, all 4 body pins is on. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got no damage or anything. Like I said, this is the first run. Everything's intact. You know what I'm saying? No scratches, no nothing. Just a little grass on it. We're trying to keep it clean, so we over here in the grass. So, as always, like, subscribe, holler back at your boy. Remember, we in this. We all about the budget bills, baby. And we're going to try to do something special with it, man. I appreciate y'all. All y'all dudes. I owe all y'all a proper shout out, man. So, as always, stay tuned, like, subscribe, holler back at your boy, man. We in this, we in this, we in this, man. We in this together. Love you all, dudes. Be easy, man. Enjoy your Saturday. Peace.